This is a reminder for all of us. And this is the reason why we brought the Nazareno here in our community, to remind each one of us that we have the Nazareno to hold on to. Kapitan ang Nazareno. This coming Holy Week, please go to church. Pray. Hold on to the Nazareno. You're not alone. You don't need to carry your cross alone. Hold on to the Nazareno. As a K-drama said, when life gives you tangerine, Father Paul said, hold on to the black Nazarene. Kapag maasim ng buhay, umapit sa buong Jesus Nazareno. After our Mass, meron tayong konting salo-salo. Pagkatapos ng mesa. No po, it is courtesy of our none other than Nanay Christine. No? Alam nyo, kakain tayo lahat. No? Dinugo tayo ni Father Paul, pupusin tayo ni Nanay Christine. You know, when you are touched by the Nazareno, the mission for you is to share the blessing that you receive. Hindi naman kailangan magpakain. No? If you were blessed by the Nazareno, share your story. Yan ang pwede natin magawa. Sinabi hindi ng kwento. No? She is sharing her image to different communities. And she will also share her blessing to us. No? Bubusugin na tayo, not only spiritually, but of course, physically. No? Lalabas tayo mamaya, busog ng ating tiyan. And I'd like to invite everyone, tomorrow will be the last day of the Nazareno here in our chapel. And tomorrow, as a culmination of the event, there will be a Lenten recollection to be given by Reverend Father Alan Samonte. So please come at 11 a.m. in the morning, 11 a.m., and the recollection will start. And while having the recollection, there will be an ongoing confession that will happen. So, meron pong kumpisalan, and if you are shy to confess to me as your chaplain, meron tayo ibang tayo. I invited Brother Priest who will also give the confession. So please come. And do not allow to celebrate Holy Week without going to confession. Please confess. God will forgive you any kind of sin. Please confess this coming Holy Week. Tomorrow, there will be confession. Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin.